All right, like I was saying, we formed a good amount of accumulation, some liquidity within the market. Following that, we had our manipulation leg higher, which took out some nice substantial points of liquidity. We got boom, took out like Asia lows right here, or Asia highs. Came lower. We formed some equal lows from this gap. After that, came a little higher. Now we're displacing past this gap, making that like new found equal lows. Or making a new low, and now I just want to see us pull back to take out the buyers once more. So hopefully it's macro right now, and if we like take out these draws, then that would be like I'll be done trading for the day. But I could definitely see us taking out these equal lows. If you remember earlier, I was saying we could take out these equal lows or these equal lows. So depending on which ones we take out, it would be I don't know, the way whatever trade I take, or when I take my trade. I like how we have this relative gap here between ES and NQ. I can definitely see myself taking a play from this gap. Alright, I might enter around here. I just need some confirmation for me to enter, so I would want to see a pullback to this gap in the 2 minute for me to enter. Now, if we don't have a pullback and we just take out these draws, then that'll be the end of the trading day, and it's just a trade we didn't catch. But we do want to see more like confirmation before we enter in, because it could definitely. We just want a good entry. We don't want bad risk management, so we wait for this. We wait for this to retest off of this continuation confluence. Sorry, I couldn't speak there. ES looks like it doesn't want to come higher either. Possibility we won't take a trade today. I mean, this is a really good play, but if we have no entry, then we have no entry. And also with 10 a.m. coming up, I don't know how we're feeling. We're like a little doji here. London lows down here. Yeah, it just looks like we're tanking. ES may want to like displace past these equal lows. I like how we form like two levels of equal lows here, so we could displace past this or this, like I've been saying. But if we end up taking out these draws right here, like this low, like these lows in general, then yeah, there'll be no trade today. I think market's waiting for that 10 a.m. news. I think we're gonna see 10 a.m. news push this. Definitely push this move. I'm not sure if we're using this right now. Could be using this inverse. Don't want to really bank on that. People would call this like inverse fair value gap right here. I personally don't want to bank off of that just because I don't really trade like that. So I just wait till this fair value gap that hasn't been mitigated yet, and then yeah. So I'm probably looking for entry around here. I think I want to take this play on ES. ES is just looking better in terms of PA. I feel like it's moving smoother. So I'm going to wait for us to mitigate this on ES. I'm going to favor ES today. We still didn't mitigate this on NQ. NQ's just trying to fake so many people out right now. It's crazy. It really looks like we're looking for a 10 a.m. move.
Order filled.
We're in 2 positions on ES right now. We have 10 a.m. news, too. It's coming. Alright, news opens about now. Ooh, we're pushing higher. Damn. I did not NQ is respecting. NQ is pushing lower from this gap. Definitely want to see NQ draw like more down here. We do have these equal lows that we're pushing to. I like how we're just like ripping from all that liquidity from I guess news and just foreign liquidity. This is a 5-minute gap right here that we did just fill. Hopefully news can kind of just push through that. I don't think we're going to respect it. Hopefully not. Hopefully the selling pressure could like kind of take that out. It's not relative either. So, nah, I think we might be good. It doesn't look like a relative gap, but probably take out a con right here just to
Order filled.
secure some positions, minimize that risk. So we came back to this gap right here. Sorry, I have to delete some like stuff because I don't want my recording to go out, because he does that every time, because I literally have no storage on this computer. It's tragic. Alright. I hope we're not like respecting this gap on the hourly. Not on the hourly, but on the 5-minute. I just want to see us disrespect this gap and respect the gap coming lower to take out these lows, because we're not really targeting our low hanging fruit, or like low hanging fruit, because of the volatility, or not even because of the volatility factor, but because like news, and because it's not like a no news Monday or something like that. So we're targeting like full draws. We do have good buy side levels right here on NQ and ES. But we'll probably put stops at break even. Yeah. Why are we respecting this 5 minute, bro? That sucks, bro. I don't know why we're respecting this 5 minute. Yeah. That's so odd. Yeah. Looks like we're gonna get cut at break even. If I'm being honest, guys. I don't know why we're favoring a 5 minute gap right now, but all right.
Order filled.
All right. So, um, double in the day, which is fine. Double in the day. All right, double in the day. I'm happy. I'm grateful. But we did get stopped at break even on that second contract. So, hey man, that's just how it is sometimes. We favored this 5 minute gap, and didn't want to take out full like draws right here, which is completely fine. That's why we take out partials, because we want to secure that position and minimize risk. So secure partials, put stops at break even. That's how it goes. Macro's about to close anyways. It's 10:08, so I don't want to really push anything. But yeah, dubs on the day. Great way to end off the week. Hey man, that's just how we do it. We're gonna pop out again next week. New trading week next week. I want to do a lot of events over the weekend, so just be tuned for that. But remember, like, always be grateful. I mean, grateful that we can even trade. We thank God another day that we can trade, for another day that we can trade. So, y'all have a beautiful weekend though. Yeah, remember, I mean, it's all in the plan. God loves y'all, and He has a plan for each and every one of us. So, just gotta stick to it. Trust the process. But I'll see y'all. Good trade, W's, and yeah, y'all have a great weekend.